Hey guys, so I recently saw this 1982 Corvette Collector Edition on Facebook, and it was here in town, so I took a 30-minute drive to go look at it. And as you can see, it's rough. The guy was asking $77.50 for it, which is not unreasonable, but it's got 90,000 plus miles. It is rough, mostly surface rust, I believe, but it would need to be completely redone. Chevrolet built 6,759 Collector Edition Corvettes, and it had an MSRP of, what was it, $22,537.59. That was a lot of money back in 1981, 1982. They were all built in Bowling Green, Kentucky, the new plant. And, looking at this car, again, it seems to be all there. So that's a good starting point. But it would need a complete redone. There's no getting around that part. And I'm guessing it would take at least a couple of years to completely redo the car and do it properly. Now, the guy told me that the car would start, so he got the keys, they connected the battery, and they cranked it. Wow. The funny thing is, I didn't expect the car to start and really to run this well. It was idling. You can see it. The motor steady. That was surprising, and so that is good. Now the brakes are all shot, but that's a different story. So back to the money factor. I checked online, and prices for these cars range between $8,000 for a car in this condition. So this one is priced right, to $30,000 for a car that is basically brand new with low miles. Now, you would have to spend between interior, paint, etc., anywhere from $15,000 on the low end to maybe $25,000. And you add up the cost of the vehicle, and you are just at about $30,000 for a car that would be probably worth between 20 and 25, because at the end of the day you can make it brand new again, but you'll never make it a low mile original car again. I mean, that ship has sailed. This is a 90,000 mile car, and there's no way getting around that. So I'm not saying that it's not worth as an investment for fun and having a cool car. Yeah, but for me, it's not the right project, unfortunately. And who knows? Maybe the guy is willing to negotiate a little bit on the price. Everyone always is. But if you're interested, it was listed on Facebook, Ocala, and again, it's $77.50. So happy hunting! Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.